that small child, why not they killing the rapist and why not they
Why are they not killing any rapist? And concluding this, we are going to announce the team who is winner for today's debate.
शरीर में बम डाल दो तो कौन बचाएगा?
तो this is an idol, not a god. जो मरे जा रहा है वो भगवान नहीं है.
why couldn't, if a person is going to rape a woman, then
Why is God not stopping them?
if a third-year girl was raped, who I can blame for that?
उनने
मेरे पास एक थ्योरी है गॉड एग्जिस्ट की.
Yes.
In Kailash par, you know that.
I prepare for that answer.
what is
Sadhguru, Sadhguru.
Ah.
I have objection.
What?
I have objection.
No.
They are using the phone.
I get a
Hey, please.
I get a
Who is not getting the child? For the long years. Why they are not getting the child?
Go and study biology.
It is the blessing of God.
Go and study biology. There are many things that described about this. God is killing innocent people to. You want to say that God is killing innocent people to control this cycle?
Yes, innocent people.
First of all, that person said that if you believe in God, God save me. Then there just a cylinder accident in which there are too many children, there are too many baby born. Then that baby had don't sense to believe in God or not. Then
क्या
why
बच्चे
Who is God and you know correct meaning of God? Can you explain?
who is the God and do you know the meaning of the God exactly?
Can you explain me? Who?
I'm not saying that. You are in Jagannath Puri temple. There is a flag in the top of.
Yay! Can be created as their creator.
वहाँ स्टेट में चल रहा है ये लड़का चैट जीपीटी में सर्च कर रहा है.
How you can say without science that God does not exist?
I am
Blindly
a
there.
Nastic mind and I am found.
Do you know the Big Bang Theory? Have you heard about Big Bang Theory?
Gita, Quran and novel written by a common people, not a god.
Not.
How can you accept that God will bless you and you will get about America and by thinking about the people we cannot say that God doesn't exist.
Yes. Why God are not helping the poor people?
Because I am listening for my ancestors. They are saying that. People are poor and rich by their own. You are saying that you are also created by common people only. Your lungs, your heart are created by common people. Common people can create you. You think?
No.
You think Indian God does not exist? Do you read Bhagavad Gita?
Let me complete my.
Can you prove that God is exist?
Can you prove that God does not exist?
Yeah.
Should we start from against or for? Just let me know. कहाँ से start करनी चाहिए? For से. Okay. So with the for, we are going to start. What do you see? What do you say, Suren? Does God exist?
Good morning everyone, my name is Abhigan Pandey and today I am here to speak in the favor of God exists. I believe that God exists because in every religion there is the concept of God.
What do you say, Archana Didi?
As per me, if we are working hard and God will not bless us, so I think that we will not get success.
Okay. And what do you say?
Good morning everyone, my name is Samita Airwal. I believe in God. Because life give me a long life.
Okay.
God.
What do you think, Arwaj?
My name is Arbaz Khan. I believe in God because I think there are anyone who control and run in this whole world.
Okay. What do you say?
My name is Advait Shukla. The God exists because I feel God everywhere.
What is everywhere? What do you think?
My name is Suren Chaudhary. Does God exist? God exists because like air, air and feeling, all love feelings, like not invisible, and God also invisible.
Okay. From the favor that they are saying that God exists. And now we are going to against team. What do you think? What do you say, Neeraj? Does God exist or not?
I think God is not exist because
God does not exist?
Yes, but my all family was believe in God.
Mhm.
But I think I don't believe God is not exist because if God is exist, so all people are why all people are different faces, different nature and different type. If God is exist, so all why all are not same, and why someone are rich, why someone are poor.
Okay, make your statement again in your mind because you will have to give this a statement again. What do you say? What do you say?
Sir,
My name is.
my name is Aditya Kushwaha, and in my opinion, God does not exist. To seeing the condition of this world, I believe in God does not exist.
Okay, by seeing the condition of the is this India, we can say the country this that God does not exist. What do you say?
Hey everyone, my name is Bhavna Gupta. Today I am not insult anyone's faith, but I believe that God doesn't exist because there are many riches and poor. So why God, if God exists, difference is not.
Okay, what do you say, Vikram?
Hello, my name is Vikram, and today I'll against side of God exist, and I am saying on this topic, God not exist because there is
Sorry.
there is multiple things who proves God not exist.
Who would?
Everyone, I am Prashant Rajput and I am saying about God is not exist because all written statement like Gita, Quran and novels written by a common people, not a God. So why I am blindly trusted?
Okay, why should
I
I
am
trust
a
blindly there?
Nastic mind and I am found.
Because God is not blessing to everyone. That's why someone are poor and someone are
Okay,
rich.
if God are not blessing all, so why God was created all peoples?
God, yes, you are working hard and you are not believing on God. So how can you accept that God will bless you and you will get the and you will be rich? How can you say this?
You mean if I believe in God, then God.
I am not saying that. You are not getting my point. I am not saying that. I am saying that if you are working hard, okay, but you are not believing on God, so I don't think that you will be get success.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Just because as long as God will not bless you, you can't get success. You can't do anything in your life.
If I believe in God and doesn't working hard, then I get success.
I didn't say this thing.
You say if you get
No, I
working
didn't say
hard,
this thing. I didn't say this thing that you will not do work and you will get the success.
But
God
you
will
say
bless you. I am saying both things. That you have to work hard. Then after God will bless, so you can get the success. You are not watching that.
Do you read Bhagavad Gita?
Let me complete my.
The instruction was like please let first complete the statement whatever are the saying and आप सभी यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी डिबेट होगी लॉन्गर होगी तो किसी को इंटरप्ट मत करो लेट देम फर्स्ट स्पीक उन्हें बोलने दीजिए देन स्टार्ट ओके
So I was saying that you are watching that many students are working for the long time. They are preparing for the NEET for the long time, for UPSC for the long time. But some students are selected and some didn't. But what was the reason? Both are working hard.
But
Both are
they-
working. Please let her complete हाँ
So why all
that's why I think God exists.
Yes. Because means as long as they will not bless you, so how can you get the success? How can you selected in anywhere?
But do you know in USA, America, there was not existent God. Means
They don't believe in God.
They don't believe
That's
in
my
God.
Why the success? Why are they
success?
Why are the success in their life? Because they don't.
And America is growing faster compared than India. Why? Because the people living there, their mindset. By thinking about America and by thinking about their people, we cannot say that God doesn't exist.
Yes. So we cannot talking about success. We are talking about God is exist or not. If you are saying God is exist, so God why God was not creating all people are saying if you she is saying in America, Australia and people not believe in God, but she was a very success person and no any poor person like India. So
Actually, you know, people are poor and rich by their own living type. People are not rich and poor by God. You know, their
why
ancestors did
God
not
are not
make money.
So why God are not helping the poor
Okay,
people?
according to you, in the USA there will be no church. Huh?
No.
There is no church. But I want to just say you say.
There will be no church.
I don't know.
How can you say that? When you don't have full
You supposed to
information,
have the
how
all
can you
knowledge
say
with that.
They don't believe on God. In India, what? Do you know what? In India, we show off that we believing on God, we are worshipping. That is the problem. But in the other countries, they don't show to others that we are believing on God. Otherwise,
Please.
Who is God? And you know correct meaning of God? Can you explain?
Who is the God and do you know the meaning of the God exactly?
Can you explain me? Who is a God?
who is the God?
He is saying that according to you, who is God?
And
No,
you
are
know
not
correct
a-
meaning
you are
of
not
God?
Hindu. You are not
Because
Hindu.
we are not believing God.
Huh?
You believe in God, then explain me who is God according to
Who
you.
is God?
God who is controlling the world. How can you say? How can you say that? How can I say that? Just try as
Do you believe that everything that can be made or
as per
created?
me, whatever is happening in the
Let me
world.
complete my sentence. Do you believe that everything that can be created by God, everything that can be created has their creator?
वहाँ स्टेट में चल रहा है ये लड़का चैट जीपीटी में सर्च कर
You
रहा
are
है
saying that God doesn't exist. You are saying. So who created this world? Please explain.
I am saying that you believe in that everything that can be created has a creator.
Who is the creator?
I am asking that question. You are not.
I am
asking
telling God has created.
that. Then who created God?
You have any proof?
Do you have any proof?
This type of proof God is created this world.
Yes.
I don't have proof for this. But how can you say that God didn't create?
First of all, you say that you prove how God created this world.
Just because I am listening for my ancestors, they are saying that.
Because of ancestor, because of listening, you can't say that God is existing or not. I am also listening that aliens are existing.
Okay,
Then how can
okay.
you say that aliens are real or not?
Okay, so you are saying that God didn't create. So please tell me who created this world. I want to know.
Alien.
Huh?
हाँ
Alien create a world. I think.
What?
एलियन क्रिएटेड द वर्ल्ड ओके पूरा आउट ऑफ ये तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस जा रहा है
May you tell me that why there is life only in this earth, and why there is no existence of God in other planets?
You found it.
Actually, you know why there is only life in this earth only.
You reach other planet.
Do you read
But
geography?
science reached.
Science are not
You
reached.
are explaining me that God does not exist because of science only. How you can say without science that God does not exist?
How did build a universe?
And how the nature is perfectly balanced.
Yeah, I am saying the question of your answer.
About
Do you ever think about Big Bang Theory?
Big Bang Theory exactly I was saying to I was saying
When you
about that
study about Big Bang Theory, how the world is created, this is all happened due to Big Bang Theory.
Do you know the Big Bang Theory? Have you heard about Big Bang Theory?
So you are telling Big Bang Theory because of some science. May I tell something where science does not work? In Jagannath Puri temple, there is a flag in the top of that does not move, that moves opposite of the wind direction. How does that work and how does your science says?
There are many things that are unexpected beyond our science, and it's if it does not know the meaning of any things, it
If
does not.
something,
You means if earthlings are not moving or if earthlings are working opposite to the Newton law, it means God are existing.
मैंने तो पूरे लिखे
You
हैं
will like
and
moving, you
written
can't
लिखे
prove that
हैं.
God is existing or
handwritten.
not.
Please, you can prove. So please prove. I want to
Yeah,
know.
if you don't know the meaning of anything, it doesn't mean God is existing.
why it is happening only in the temple? Why
He
is
is
not
asking
happening?
only. He is asking
That's
that
what,
if
that's
you
what I say. If we don't know the meaning of anything, it doesn't mean God is existing. It doesn't mean God is exist and they do these things.
So why it is
how
happening
is
in
it
the temple?
happening? How is it happening?
I have a question. God have a task to stop that flag for moving, and God doesn't do anything for women's safety and the education of
That's a
our
good reason.
India.
If God exists, just let me know first. If God exists,
About the Draupadi,
Yeah.
who saved to her?
Draupadi, who saved it to her?
First of all, those things are written in books. These are not any proof. These have not any proof to happen.
Okay, these all are written in a book. There is no proof of that.
So your Big Bang Theory does not have
Please,
any
please, please, let him complete.
Your Big Bang
If
Theory
all
does not
written-
have
Let him speak. Let him
All
speak.
written statement like Gita, Quran and novel written by a common people, not a god.
Not a God, exactly.
Common people, me,
How can
you,
you
they,
how can you
Rishi.
say that that was created, that was written by
You
the?
are saying that you are also created by common people only. Your lungs, your heart are created by common people. Common people can create you. You think?
Yeah.
No.
You think? Can you prove that God is exist?
Can you prove that God does not exist?
Yeah.
What was the
According to you, God is actually God is who made us.
Okay, so who created to you? Don't say parents.
Her mother, father was
Oh,
created.
biology. Okay,
Her
okay.
father who's great.
Her mother, father.
Okay. So
Who?
you,
Same cycle.
I think you didn't say the.
you know?
Who is first person
You know.
of this universe?
Do you know?
Here we can discuss about who is the first person of the universe. Here we can discuss about God is happen or not.
As he said.
And
You can-
if we don't know about anything in this world, there are too many things are mysterious, and we doesn't know
So
about
there-
everything.
you-
And if we don't know about anything, it doesn't mean God exists.
You said your parents created to you. Okay?
Yeah.
And your parents has created by their parents. Okay? So there are many parents who is not getting the child for the long years. Why they are not getting the child?
Go and study biology.
It is a blessing of God.
Go and study biology. There are many things that described about this. This is not biology classes. This is debate classes. And
I am not teaching you biology.
I
Okay?
have a question. According to your thing, only Hindu god are exist.
Does Hindu God exist?
I didn't say this.
Actually, you know, in Bible and Quran there is existence of
Bible
God.
and
You
Quran
believe
are
other
written by
other
common people.
religion? You believe other
So you are also
religion?
created
Do you
by
believe
common
any other
people.
religion?
Okay. Do you believe in other religion?
Please give him answer.
He is wearing.
Please, he is asking that do you believe that there is it
Other religion.
other religion? Do you think that there is a who?
Believe.
Jesus Christ.
Do you believe? Jesus Christ. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay. Just put this point. Place this point. Jesus Christ.
How? Who is God according to you? God is someone who cannot be destroyed. Then how Jesus Christ died? If God is invincible, then how Jesus Christ died?
Jesus Christ.
How did he die? What was the reason that he died?
When Jesus
Because-
Christ hanged to the plus sign, they got blooded. Then how God got blooded?
How did he got blood?
Jesus Christ died because of.
Just let me know first. The first question is Jesus Christ a God? Is Jesus Christ a God?
Yes.
बड़ी
Sir,
बहुत debate हो जाएगी.
Sir, because in Christianity it is written that in you can ask any Christian that Jesus Christ is a God. Why they are believing
No,
that Jesus Christ
their book says that God does not exist. They are clearly saying the Christianity says that God doesn't exist. They believe if there is God, so why people are dying of hunger? Why people die of hunger? Why people are living in road? Why people are sleeping in a road? On the road.
Because of their luck.
No, there is no luck.
Luck.
Just let me complete first. If and what the other thing says, if there is God, if we are a child of God, if I am a child of God, so why when I am in trouble, when I am getting any hurt, why am I getting any injury, so why does God not come to me and help me and heal me?
Sir,
Yep.
I have a point.
Yep.
Sir, you cannot see everything in this world, and there is no point that thing you can see exist. You believe in air exists.
Yes.
So you can
Do you
see
believe?
air.
But we can prove here is exist.
So we can also prove that God exists.
How?
Prove it.
Prove it.
I have said that.
It is not about saying. It is about proving.
Sir, because I am proving. You prove
Huh,
it.
please, let him complete. Let him.
Because Bargy Dam cruise incident
Because of because
who
of
believe in God that survive and
most of the people
and
survive.
most of people don't believe in God, they would die.
They
God is
exactly.
God. Why can 10 people are die in this?
So क्या भगवान उससे नाराज थे that you supposed to die?
Sir, people,
Huh.
sir, you know people are dying because
If there was God, why did God not save everybody there?
sir,
Sir, I know.
Huh.
You didn't listen the name of karma.
Karma.
sir, I know.
What is karma?
Okay. Sir, it is our
The question. What is
Sir,
karma?
I have objection.
What?
I have objection.
No.
They are using the phone.
I return.
Hey, please.
I return my
I have answered the answer of that question, but
What was the question?
Karma.
Karma. Okay, the question was about karma.
they have don't give the time to give that answer. If I try to give an answer of that one question, they can ask 2 or more 3 questions. First of all, that person said that if you believe in God, God save me. Then there just a cylinder accident in which there are too many children, there are too many baby born. Then that baby had don't sense to believe in God or not. Then
क्या
why
बच्चे का भी कर्मा हो सकता है?
Sir, actually, sir,
First of all, answer my question. then-
First of all, answer
yes,
this
I'm
question.
answering your question only.
Okay, let
You
him
know
answer.
that if people will not die, how
No,
will the cycle happen?
answer the question. Reply
You are
their
saying
questions.
They died.
They said that in the incident of gas
Yes.
cylinder,
Yes.
many children were died there, and many people were
They
died
are-
there who were innocent.
They are dying because if people will not die, how will the cycle happen? If the population will increase so much that
So,
there will be deficiency of
because
food,
of your statement,
deficiency
you
of
are
everything.
saying because of your statement, you are saying that people should die. Everyone is going there. Not it is. Don't take it personal. ठीक है? As a statement, you are saying so everybody should die so that another will come.
Then why God is killing that innocent child? Then why God? Why?
Because if people
Let me
do-
speak.
You are speaking.
Let him speak.
Why God killing that small child? Why not they killing the rapist and why not they?
Why
killing-
why are they not killing any rapists?
People and
Because the
rapists.
government have made people like police, army. Why they are not killing that?
If there is God, what is the need of making police? If there is God, if there is God,
He is saying that God is killing the innocent child, and God not killing the guilty people because they have police to
they are having police too.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Punish.
Punish them. Exactly.
This is not police statement.
Actually, you know that you are saying that why are innocent people dying? You know, if people will not die, how will the cycle work? There will be deficiency of food. You will starve for years, and you will die because of hunger because people are so much. In India, there is so much population. That's why there is deficiency of food, deficiency of everything. Why there is no deficiency of food in like America, Russia? Because there are very small population. They are not like India, 1.5 billion population. You know.
God is killing innocent people to. You want to say that God is killing innocent people to control the cycle?
Yes. Innocent people have also died.
But some accused freely born.
Yeah. Why couldn't God kill the innocent guilty people? Because
Many time of some accused many time of
Yeah.
rape,
No.
and he freely.
Wandering, roaming, they are free. They have freedom. They can go anywhere.
you want to say that if any
Even they are guilty.
Because their death is written in that time only.
Okay, you want to say that if a criminal do a crime, God cannot punish him. God only punish to the innocent
Their death
children.
is written in that time only. Innocent people, that is written in that time. That's why they are dying.
You want to say that innocent people don't do anything, that why they can die?
So, in your home, your parent doesn't worship.
No.
Does your parents not worship?
First of all, it's not about my
Your
parents,
teammate
it's
is
about
wearing the band of
Firstly,
our
tell me yes or no.
your-
Then I will answer you.
So it's our culture only, you know. It is our culture.
In
We
your
are not any type of.
In your home, there is no God.
we are
Yes
not.
or no?
We are not.
I am asking
We
yes or
cannot
no.
prove anything after answering the question of yes or no,
After going from here, throw it outside.
one second.
Okay, then your parents will tell you God exists or not.
Okay. If you we can't say any answer in yes and or no.
That food you eat, that also made by a God.
God, that food you are eating is created by the God, is it?
Then
So
why,
what is a farmer?
then why they give money to the farmer?
Farmer are useless.
But sometimes
Yeah,
farmer
farmer are
works hard.
Farmer are useless.
But sometimes
Farmer are useless.
farmer works hard, but they didn't get the success. What was the reason?
Okay, sometimes you would have seen that I think lots of crops are destroyed with the storm. So does God say that you will not eat now food?
I am not believe,
Sir,
but
मेरे
I don't
am a
believe.
good farmer.
सर मेरे पास एक थ्योरी है गॉड एग्जिस्ट की.
Okay,
Yes.
speak.
In Kailash Par, you know that.
I prepare for that answer.
मैंने कहा था ना प्रिपेयर रहना, इससे बहुत हार्ड डिबेट करता है.
China, okay.
As you know,
Kailash.
Okay,
you know
हाँ.
that in Mount Everest there is more altitude than Kailash Parbat. Still, thousands of people climbed the Mount Everest, but no one was able to climb Kailash Parbat. Even China was taking helicopter to Kailash Parbat. Still, their helicopter was crashed. Why it is happening only with Kailash Parbat? And it's our worship that Lordship exists there. I believe that there is some energy that is stopping people to go there.
Are you? That's why I think God
Exists.
exists.
Wait.
Huh, what is
Sir,
it?
first of all, Mount Everest have access. If you want to go to the Mount Everest, they have access to go and climb there. But if I want to go to the Kailash, right?
Exactly, Kailash Parvat.
Mount Kailash. Though they don't, we don't have access to climb on the Mount Everest.
Sir,
That's why
sir, this is not the logic. This
I
is
can
China
show
has
it
Just
taken.
let him complete first.
I can show it on the Google. Mount Everest doesn't have access to climb on Mount Kailash, and they are too.
Why?
Sir, because many people believe that they have their cultures, their civilization belonging to things, and they don't want their cultures ruined by any man.
You are saying
Let me complete my words.
Let him
I can
complete.
prove this is all on the internet that many countries that blog to, they don't give any access.
So you are
Let me complete. They don't give any access to climb on the Mount Kailash. And sir, there are too many things that is the reason that we cannot climb on the Mount Everest. Sorry, Mount Kailash. Because in Mount Everest we have too many stations. Like if you injured, we can go and treat there. But there are no such facility in the Mount Kailash.
Exactly.
If we first of all we can't climb on the Mount Kailash because the government banned their access to climb on the Mount Kailash. Sir, if you don't believe, please go on the internet and search about that topic.
Okay, but China tried to go with helicopter. How the helicopter crashed, and you know, people tried to climb the Kailash Parbat before the climbing of Kailash Parbat banned.
China
People
government.
tried to climb. Hundreds of people tried to climb, but no one was able to climb.
Yeah, because they have unroughen surface. Mount Everest has so
You think
simple
God is
surface.
not exist? No logic of
Yes.
unrouging surface. Helicopter is climbing with land. You know.
Okay, he is saying that
Go
human
and
has a power.
first of all, go and study about geography. You understand all the things, and you can get the
You will
all
get to
answer
know.
of your
You will get to
question.
know all about
So
them.
helicopter is also climbing with the surface of Mount Kailash.
First of all,
Why helicopter is-
we can't
sir?
understand anything. We can't explain anything to the person that doesn't know about geography because sir, there are too many things that can explain through geography.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
Sir, but there are many things that we can explain by ourselves only.
Okay. First of all, you go to your home and then explain why people can't climb to the Mount Kailash. You can get all your answers.
So why does helicopter of China does not able to climb the Mount Kailash?
China
Why?
and
If you want
China
Fine.
has taken helicopter.
Okay, according to him,
China
Okay, don't make a fuss. Who is saying? The team is saying. Okay, what team is saying?
according to you, human has power. Okay? God doesn't exist. Okay, you are saying this. So why you can't stop the disasters if you have a power?
Yes, stop the disaster.
Why you can't stop?
Then why can't God stop that disaster? Because God has that power. We don't have
That's why
power.
you are alive. That's why you are alive.
You want to say that if God give us some disaster, we are alive.
God is not giving you disaster.
Okay. I have a question.
You have a power. Yes, I am saying that God is giving you disaster. Okay.
Sir, he means God give a disaster.
Let her complete first.
I am she. I am not he.
Let her complete. Let her complete.
system, black hole is seed on a Sudarshan Chakra and I think
हाँ,
and solar
first let him
system
complete.
and in solar system has Lord Shiva's also Damrus.
Okay.
Child,
What is the thing?
Guys, first of
What is the
all,
thing?
completed your geography subject. In geography subject, there are no any Sudarshan Chakra, there are no any Damru in which. Let me complete my
You
sentence.
are completing a sentence only.
No. Let me complete. Then after you. First of all, you go and study about universe and study the geography. There is no such things like universe are in the Damru or universe are in the Sudarshan Chakra. So these all are
And the
things.
scientist is also researched for solar system and black hole is also seed on a Sudarshan Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra.
Oh, Sudarshan Chakra.
First of all, black hole are things that can observe anything, that can observe light, even light can observe in the black hole. Then how could you say that black hole are on the Sudarshan Chakra or something?
Why the nature is perfectly balanced?
Who can say that nature?
In every hospital, why there is a temple?
Nature is
There is a God.
nature is perfectly balanced.
Then do you listen about the
Have you listened about
Have you listened about acid rain?
Because of human pollution.
Acid rain.
We
Okay,
are
acid
making
rain.
pollution. Global warming has happened because of human pollution. People are dying because of human pollution. So it is only our mistake that we are treating our Mother Earth like that. That's why disasters are happening, global warming are happening, and people are dying.
If you say
Their
that
life-
everybody? I think we'll have tired. Please take some rest.
Don't
say anything. Don't say any question. You are not tired.
अल्लाह राम हो, कृष्ण हो, राधा हो, उनने यहाँ जन्म
नहीं,
लिया। उनने यहाँ
आप लोग को हिंदी में बोलने में नहीं आ रहा है।
कंप्लीट कर
Don't
दीजिए।
speak in
हिंदी बोलने में नहीं आ रहा है।
राधे कृष्ण
वहाँ पे
जो
लोग क्या
दिस इज
हिंदी
आइडल नॉट अ गॉड जो मर गया है वो भगवान नहीं है
राम के पास भी सेम पावर थी, रावण के पास भी सेम पावर थी।
सब मर गए
जो है
तुम उसको ऐसे कर सकते हो, इसको बाहर निकाल दो।
शरीर में बम डाल दो तो कौन बचाएगा?
डालो बहुत सिंपल सा है।
हाँ।
क्या भगवान एक ऐसा पत्थर बना सकता है जिसे लोग उठा सके या ना
अच्छा, तो ये यहाँ पे जो बड़ा पत्थर रखा है,
नहीं, आप बताइए ना।
वो कैसे ऐसे इतनी सी प्लेस पे वो कैसे रखा है?
मतलब वो गॉड ने संभाल के रखा है उसे।
आप समझिए
आसमान
Do you study about balancing?
नहीं, रुको। क्या वो सर क्या वो इतना बड़ा पत्थर बना सकते हैं?
आसमान कहाँ
अरे
रहता
छोड़ो
है?
दे।
वो जो स्पेस
छोड़ो
में
यार,
आसमान ही
अरे
है।
आराम से।
क्या?
अरे आराम से।
अरे यार,
अरे
मैं
क्या वो इतना बड़ा पत्थर बना सकते हैं कि वो खुद भी उसे ना उठा सके?
बनाने वाले वही है,
नहीं।
करने वाले सब वही
बनाने
है।
वाले वही हैं, खुद नहीं उठा
अब
सकते।
हम तुमसे कहे कि भैया तुम लिख सकते हो, तो तुम कहोगे ना हाँ भैया तुम लिख सकते हो। तो राम से जी
नहीं मानते तो हम मानते हैं, लेकिन आप उसको अच्छा आप राम सेतु के पत्थर का आंसर दो, तैर कैसे रहेगा?
Because of science.
Do you know about hollow?
तो नॉर्मल पानी में पत्थर क्यों नहीं फेंक रहा? तब कहाँ क्या साइंस?
हाँ मेरे को पता है कि वोल्केनो
आप घर के मटके में डाल दो ना, ये उल्टा तैर जाएगा क्या वो? नहीं तैरने
First of
वाला।
all, how many types of stone do you all study about? Do you know about metamorphosis stone, igneous stone? Then how can you say that these things are called by God or not? There are too many stones that can float on the water due to their hollow surface. They can hollow sides, so they can float on the
Carry a
water.
pot, I will put the stone on them.
If a third-year girl was raped, who I can blame for that? God or whom? You say that God is punished everyone who can doing the wrong things or wrong purpose, who have wrong purpose. Then why couldn't God punish that the wrong person who can doing the such silly things? Who can?
You know, just like Albaz when you said that it is choice of yours only. that God has made a person, it has bad mindset.
Why couldn't, if a person is going to rape a woman, then
Why is God not stopping them? A person is going to rape a girl. Why is God not there? Why is God not there to stop the person?
God has
Sir,
a limited power.
Because, yeah, please give because.
Like we are saying that we have explained the rebirth, but the girl.
So you are saying, by your means, you are saying if a girl is going to be raped, so it is because she is going to rebirth. Is it? Is it?
मैं पूरे sentence पूरे नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ आप लोग.
Let you complete.
Sir, as we talking about rebirth, I'm talking about Jannah. Sir, in first Jannah, the girl has done some bad things.
I want that tomorrow. Will you give me that? That it is written, and I need that in proof. क्योंकि written is that कि मैं भी कुछ लिख सकता हूँ, कुछ भी लिख सकता हूँ, and I can show you कि ये written है. मैं अगर इसे मार दूँ और ये जेल चला जाए, और मैं इसे मार दूँ और इसे जाके किनारे में लिख दूँ कि मैंने इसे मारा है, he is scared because somewhere is written और मैं लाके दिखा दूँ. तो will anyone punish me or not?
Sir, I will.
Everyone will punish me. क्यों? क्योंकि I will give.
सर मैं आपको घर
हाँ,
जाके
yeah, there's something.
सर मैं आपको घर जाके वो भेज दूंगा कि लिखा है. सर अभी मैं नहीं प्रूव कर सकता क्योंकि मेरे पास.
Just say me कि जो भी लिखा है whatever is written, is there any proof कि उसी ने लिखा है? आपके सामने लिखा है.
क्या वो सही लिखा है?
मैं बस आपसे कह रहा हूँ लिखने को वो लिखा है. Do you know कि who written that? Do you have any proof कि उसी ने लिखा है? और लिखा भी है तो he is written right or not?
take my
Do you think that for everything is written? Do you believe everything is written?
No, sir. I do not believe everything is written.
Okay, sit here.
Are you agree with him for this point? For this only this point are you agree with him?
No, but
No, why are you not
Only
agree?
this point,
only this point. Only this point.
Only for this the rape one. So are you agree with that? कि if a girl is raped, so that is because of God.
The Hindu.
No, no.
It is not God, na?
No, it is human.
It is by human.
By human.
Everything is by human. So
By
why
human.
are we talking about God?
Because God gave you free will, so you can take.
Who is
decision.
God?
Who? God is.
Where is God? Show me your God.
God is not.
उसमें लिखा तो है ना कि
God is not
concept
meta.
है कि नहीं.
God is not metaphysically. God is not normal human. God is बहुत अलग है God. मतलब जिसने
There is written in a way. There is, I think I heard somewhere कि in Vedas there is written something that Brahma ji has a age. ब्रह्मा जी की एक एज है, and after the age he will definitely be died. But still Brahma ji is there. Why? Why did he not die?
Sir, because it is a particular age.
It is a
Particular age.
particular
Sir,
age.
if Jesus Christ can die, why
Jesus
Brahma-
Christ is not God. First of all, Christianity says कि God doesn't believe.
और उसमें क्या प्रॉफिट हो रहा है पब्लिक का कि ह्युंडई एक तरफ फहर रहा है. इससे अच्छा तो वो किसी गर्ल को सेव कर सकते हैं या किसी
वो झंडा फहराते रहे, इससे अच्छा वो गर्ल को जाके सेव कर सकते हैं. Is it?
तो हम लोग का तो ये मानना है कि अगर वो टेम्पल में और जैसे कि
We are not going to your faith. We are just going to a fact.
in 2014 there was a disaster in Kedarnath and
नहीं, plus let him
and there was a disaster and there was a rock who stopped the disaster to come to the Kedarnath temple and to destroy it. Why the temple is saved only?
Sir, if the wind is coming in the room and I close the door, it is all done by God, because God save us, not because we close the door. What is the thing, sir? Sir, things from
Sir,
now.
only temple was saved. Hundreds of people died, but sir, only temple.
So
was saved.
you are
Why
saying
God
that
saving
for
God?
God the temple matters a lot, not people. You are saying कि
Sir, he
भगवान
said
के लिए
yes.
टेम्पल मैटर करता है, उनके रहने का स्थान मैटर करता है, पर उनके बच्चों का नहीं. उनके बच्चे मरे चाहे जिए. Is it?
सर देखिए, सर आगे लोग आएंगे, आगे लोग जाएंगे भी.
So you
सर,
are
वो
saying कि
मानते
वो
नहीं
नहीं मारते हैं दूसरों को लाने के लिए.
टेम्पल तो हमारा बन सकता था.
सर, he want to say that टेम्पल मतलब भगवान के लिए टेम्पल जरूरी है, क्योंकि लोग तो आते जाते रहते हैं, मरते रहते हैं, वो तो नॉर्मल बात है. जो
मेरी सोसाइटी में एक मर्डरर्स रहते हैं, उन्होंने एक पुलिस वाले को बॉम्ब से उड़ा दिया था, 20 साल हो गए बाहर. हाई कोर्ट से सजा पड़ गई, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपील है। हाई कोर्ट से 20 साल की सजा पड़ी, बाहर है 40 साल, आज वो 60 साल का हो गया।
बाहर है वो।
बाहर है वो।
सर
कौन बचा रहा है? गॉड। पुलिस वालों को बॉम्ब मार दिया था सीधा।
Sir, he want to say that if the cruise is turned over and they died some many of people, it is all happened goods because this can balance the nature. I mean, this can balance the cycle.
तो क्या तो फिर क्या होगा? अगर लोग मरेंगे नहीं तो अगर
Do
लोग
you know
मरेंगे तो
about
साइकिल
death
कैसे
cycle?
चलेगी?
Do you know about death cycle? It means अगर one person मरता है तो दूसरा person जन्म लेता है और not मरना means उसको जान से मारते हैं। It's old age
तो
के
आपका
कारण।
कहना मतलब ये है कि जितने भी लोग मारे धरती वो मरे ही नहीं। आप सही कहने
मर
का
रहे हैं ना,
मतलब
old age से मर रहे हैं। Old age से मर रहे हैं।
उसका रीजन एक नेचुरल
Old age
रीजन
से
होना
मर तो रहे
चाहिए।
हैं।
By concluding this debate, does God exist or not? We still got the question remain, which is कि God exists or not. So for today, by observing the whole debate, by concluding this, we are going to announce the team who is winner for today's debate. So the team is, does God exist or not?
पता है सर वो है।
Against, please clap for them. The against team got won. Okay.
I have the conclusion of the debate. Then I can't prove God is not exist. But I have some question and I ask and I don't have the good answer. But I satisfied.
Satisfied.
I just want to tell you that the conclusion of that debate is God exists or God exists not. The both are the true. Let's take an example of Hindu Dharma. If you're talking about Hindu Dharma, we can worship the sun and we can worship the tree, and because they all are nature, they can created us. And if you are talking about the God is someone who created us, then yeah, it is real because nature's created us. God is exist. It is true. And when you talking about the God which is have a body, which is have a form that save us in something when are in trouble, it is not. Then the conclusion of that debate is God is existing, it is true, and God is not existing, it is also true.
Sometimes I think that God exists and sometimes I think God does not exist. It depends on us and it depends on all.
Actually, I don't know God exists or not.
I am able to prove God is exist or not, but I think God is nothing and God is everything. And God exists everything.